So in today's video we discuss how to insert reverse triple prime in your computer after opening Microsoft Word. So after opening Microsoft Word in your computer, in your Windows computer, you must use these two keys, the Alt key and S key. After typing 2037, so you must type 2037 in the numerical section of your keyboard. So after typing like this 2037, you can go to your keyboard, and from there you can see in your keyboard you can see this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So one of your fingers should be in this Alt key and another is in the S key. You must press these two keys at the same time, and you can see that this will be the result. So now you can see that we have created this symbol in Microsoft Word. So once again I repeat, after typing 2037 you must press these two keys, Alt key and S key. Of this video helps you. For more videos you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.